Good morning, everyone. It is the 23rd of October, around 10:15 a.m. I'm just getting ready to start Unity. As you guys can see, last night when I was at school, I made a couple deadlines, about two main deadlines I want to hit. One of the main deadlines was June of 2019, and the other big deadline is November 2019. I figured those months would give me time to work and progress on the game as much as I can. And, well, that, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to start working on these as much as I can. School included, doesn't matter. And see how far I get, really. So, first I was doing these vlogs because, well, that would get me motivated. Yes, doing these videos has got me motivated to, continue to work on this. Because otherwise, I wouldn't be working on it. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say right now. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, guys, it is now 2:22 p.m. and I'm gonna take a break on doing some game developing. Well, okay, on my game, seriously, not game developing. I'm gonna have some mac and cheese for lunch because I'm getting hungry. I'm also talking to Elijah here. See, he's a little tiny person, little tiny man is Elijah right here. He's drinking whatever he drinks. What are you drinking, man? Ooh, coffee. Anyway, so like I said, I'm gonna have some mac and cheese, and then probably play a little Call of Duty. I need to take a break from working on the game. You know, have like a whole bunch of stuff I need to do, and of course, deadline. Those deadlines probably catching. I decided to if you guys didn't know, originally there was going to be three deadlines. One in February, one in June, and one in November. I decided, no, one in February, no deadline in February. So we have June and November. That gives me plenty of months to keep working on it, despite having so many homeworks on freaking school and whatever, but we'll get through it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Elijah, you up for Call of Duty? Hello? He's concentrating. Well, I'm gonna have some mac and cheese first, and then I'll let you know when I'm on. There you go. I have a date. Call of Duty. I am currently outside, as you can tell, windy, so I don't know how much you guys can hear or whatever. But I'm going down to the bank. I'm gonna meet Elijah Hagen, because we're probably gonna hang out for a little bit. And then, I don't know. To me, yeah, hang on. Hang on, guys. Okay, so I don't even know if this is recording right now. But anyway, I just got done hanging out with Elijah. I almost drove off the sidewalk. What the fuck? Whoa, okay. Huh. I'm sure that's the first time I cussed on stream. Anyway, sorry about that. I don't mean to do that. Anyway, like I said, just got done having lunch at Burger King with Elijah. We hung out for a little bit. I was gonna go to the bank, but by the time we would have got there, they would have already been closed. So I'll do that tomorrow before class. I did hate them. I don't know. Anyway, before I cut out, because the guy would be on the other one, thinking I was like a weirdo talking on the phone. But anyway, are you gonna let me go, dude? Go! Sorry about that. Oh my god. I love people, I hate people at the same time. It's a love-hate relationship. Anyway, before I cut out, and because I don't want the guy to think I'm a weirdo, I was gonna talk about my game progress, but then I realized, you know what? I'm done talking about it. I'm gonna show you guys results, you know? So by the end of the night, you will get to see the result. No matter where I am at, wherever, I'll show whatever I got. And yeah, even if I'm still working on it, I'll still show it. So, yeah. Okay, I'm about to drop my phone, so I'm gonna slow down and okay. I'll see you guys when I get home. That's just one picture I have going on. Anyway, that's pretty much all I have for now. I'm gonna do a lot of other stuff. As you can see, the shadow is just coming in. The sun still rising because of that little tick I have. But anyway, it is 12:08 in the morning. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. But yeah, it looks like I didn't have it all done because at the same time I was studying. So anyway, yeah, I hope to get more done and we'll see what happens in the future. Anyway, I'm out, guys. See you tomorrow.